How to ride a pig in Minecraft. So first we will need a saddle, 3 pieces of stick, 2 pieces of strings, a carrot, and of course your crafting table. So now just place your crafting table on the ground, open it up. Now just place the stick on this position and place a string right there to basically make a fishing rod. Now once you have your fishing rod, just place it right here and get your carrot placed on the middle. Now you will have a carrot on a stick. And once you have that, you will now need to search for a pig. I found a village right here, so I'm just going to simply go to it. So there are pigs right here. So I'm going to go with this one. So just simply get your saddle, place it on the pig. And now you can just basically ride the pig right here. And as you can see, I can control it. But if you want to control the pig, this is where the carrot can be used. So as you can see, I can now control where the pig is going just by hovering the carrot right there. But if I don't have the carrot on my hand, well, it won't move, or it will just move on its own. But if I have the carrot, I can basically move it wherever I want. And that's how I basically ride the pig in Minecraft.